ready to send money across borders with just a few taps. Let's jump right into a simple tutorial on how to use the Remitly app. First, open the Remitly app on your phone if you don't have it yet. Download it from your app store once open. Tap the big Send Money button. Now, choose the country you're sending money to. You'll see a list of available countries with their flags. Scroll through, or use the search bar to find the right one and tap it. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll see options for both sending currency and the receiving currency. Make sure you choose the right ones and double-check the exchange rate displayed. Next, pick how your recipient will get the money. Remitly offers different choices like bank deposit, cash pickup at a local agent, or even mobile money transfer. Select the option that works best for them. Fill in your recipient's details carefully. This includes their full name, address, and if you chose bank deposit, their bank name and account number. Accurate information is crucial to avoid delays. Choose your payment method. Remitly lets you pay with a debit card, credit card, or sometimes directly from your bank account. Select your preferred option and enter your payment information securely. Review all the details carefully on the summary screen. This is your chance to double-check everything before you confirm the transfer. Make sure the recipient's name, amount, and delivery details are correct. Finally, tap the Confirm and Send button. Remitly will process your transaction, and you'll get a confirmation screen with a tracking number. Share this with your recipient so they can track the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully sent money with Remitly. The app also allows you to save recipient details for faster transfers in the future.